Here, let's see how to use the Insert tab of Microsoft OneNote. The Insert tab, there's it here, Insert tab. You can bring in pictures into your system. Just click on Pictures. Okay, for example, this strawberry, just select it. That's it. You can move it anywhere and resize it. This is Insert tab. Okay, yes, that's it. Still on the Insert tab of our ribbon, okay, let's talk about to insert an equation or symbol. I don't advise you use any of this here. Don't use this Microsoft OneNote. It's not flexible enough. You go to Microsoft Word, okay, get your equations, get your symbol, you copy them from Microsoft Word after creating them there, and you come here and paste them, okay. For example, let me just say this Microsoft Word, this book, okay. Control N, there's it. I want to bring an equation in. For example, let's say the almighty formula. Go to Insert, Symbols, okay. Just click on the body equation. Don't click on this drop down here. Click on the body equation here, the pi. Good. For example, let me say radical here. Click on radical. This almighty formula. Good. I've selected. You can see this is my almighty formula. You can see that. This is if I want to increase it. Control Shift greater than sign to grow it. Okay, and true. Just click at this point to select it. Control C. That's all. Minimize it. These are Microsoft OneNote. I want to keep it here. For example, if I feel this space is not enough, I increase the space. I'll just come to Insert, click on space, bring it down. You can see that. I'll click. You can see it's there. I've clicked already. It's a point on which you click that is going to paste it. Then click there, Control V. That's it already. Okay, you just click on the top here and grow it. Control Shift greater than sign. You can see that. Good. That's my equation. That's it. That's my equation. So it's as easy as that. If you want to insert symbol, you want to insert equation, don't do it here. Go to Microsoft Word, get whatever you want to get, bring it here, paste it here, and adjust the size to suit what you have on the screen already.